Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to select a solo ad vendor or a solo ad seller. So to do that, on your Udemy dashboard, you have two options. So first, you can go and click on Find Sellers. And you will see here that, so let's say for example that this person here, he is selling his solo ad for 45 cents. So meaning each time someone clicks on the link and someone lands on this page, that means it will cost you 45 cents. So to check the seller, the numbers that I'm looking at are basically the cost per click, and then how many percent are getting sales. So meaning this icon right here means people are getting sales. And you will also see that 605 people like this person because probably they're getting a lot of leads and some sales. So to check that, you can go and click the name of this person. Okay, and you will see that this is the stats of this person right here. So 605 people like him, 10% of people who purchased from him made sale, and he is charging 45 cents per visitor. You can also see some of his background in here. Okay, you can read that background, and then you can also see the quality of traffic that he has. So let's say for example, if we will buy a solo ad from this person, you will see that 68% of his traffic are coming from tier 1 countries or top tier countries. So meaning 68% are coming from, you will see it here, 47% are from the US, 9% are from Canada, 7% are from the UK, and 4% are from Australia. And then the rest coming from Mexico, and the rest are coming from different parts of the world. So really what you want to look for are vendors that have a top tier countries, because you want leads who are coming from the US, Canada, UK, and Australia, because we know that these people have the money to buy, and obviously these people have credit cards to use, right? So that's what we're looking for. So this one way, so you can also see that, right? So these are the traffic. This is where your traffic will come from, and this is where your leads will come from. Okay, and you can also see the seller ratings, so you can see the feedback from different people, right? So you can see there people are liking him, people are selling, people are telling that they're getting sales. So that's one way of finding a seller in Udemy. So if you go back to the search results, and then you can go through and scroll the other sellers. Okay, so not because I'm showing you that specific person, you don't have to buy from him. I'm just showing you how to look for. Okay, and the other way where you can go for and look for solo ad sellers or vendors is click the solo deals. So basically these find sellers, these are sellers who are selling the solo ads, and it's not on sale. So if you want to save some money, obviously you want to save some money, you want to go and click on the solo deals. So if you click solo deals, you will see here that the costs per click are less it's less expensive, so they are cheaper, right? And you can also see that a lot of people are actually buying from these different vendors because they have solo ads for sale or solo ads that are on sale. So if you compare that, so like this guy, he's selling it for 39 cents compared to the vendors at the find seller section. This guy is selling it for 45 cents. Okay, so you will see this guy is 52 cents, 50 cents. So my recommendation is go to solo deals. So you can save some money, right? And you can still get good quality. So let's say for example, I gave you an example, right? So this guy right here, he's selling it for 39 cents, and he's saying that 100% top tier traffic, fast delivery, fresh leads daily. So if you click this, and we can check his stats. So 705 people like this person, and 21% of people who bought solo ads from this guy made the sale, which is a really good number. And he's selling his solo ad for 45 cents. The original price is 45 cents, but right now he's selling it for a discounted price of 39 cents. Okay, so that's a discount. So if you click that again, you can also check some of his bio, right? So you will see here that 90% of his top tier traffic is guaranteed. 10% over delivery, meaning if you buy 100 clicks, you get another 10% over. And this is one way of looking for another good solo ad seller. 3,000 subscribers added every day, which is really good. And then his list is making him 25K per month. So meaning his list is including buyers. So that's one way of checking the solo ad vendor, or how you can check the solo ad vendors. And you will see here that his traffic, wow, that's really good. So you can see here that 94% of his traffic is coming from top tier countries. And you'll see 87% came from the US, 2% from UK, 2% from Canada, 1% Australian, 1% New Zealand. So that's what we want, because we want people who have money and we want people who have credit cards. So that's one way of checking. Those are a couple of ways on how to check solo ad sellers. And yeah, you can go ahead and look for obviously when I recorded this video, some of these sales will be different. So that's one way of how you can check. So do that step. And on the next video, I'm going to show you how to buy your first solo ad so we can start getting traffic to your landing pages.